Hey, thanks for joining us today on Dirt Farmer J on YouTube. We're going to take a look at a great little product that I have come to depend on. It's a great folding pocket knife put out by Gerber. It has the right finish, the right materials, and it's easy to service, and the price point is really good. Hey, stay tuned, and I'll tell you all about it. Hey, I'm Dirt Farmer J. About a year ago, I was reading through one of my favorite woodworking journals, Woodsmith. And in that issue, they were reviewing different utility knives that can be used around the shop and home. And one that they featured was a folding pocket knife by Gerber. Now, this is a great little knife. Since reading that article, I have not only bought these and used them and placed them with Dirt Farmer Maggie, who is behind the camera today, but also friends, family, and I'm sure that I'll give more out as time goes on because they're just that darn handy and the price point is really good. Now, if you look at this, it's made by Gerber, which is a well-known brand, readily accessible through online sources as well as brick and mortar sources at your favorite sporting goods section or retailer. And as you can see here, this particular model is called the E.A.B Lite Clip Folding Utility Knife. Now, what does E.A.B stand for? What's that funky acronym about? It stands for Exchange a Blade, because in this particular product, you don't sharpen the blade ongoing. Sorry to take that away from you if sharpening the knife is one of your favorite things to do about owning a knife. For us mere mortals, this system allows you to simply take out the blade, replace it with a standard or commercial grade triangular shaped utility knife blade. There's some other things I really like about it. The price point is pretty darn good for something of this quality. You can find them online for anywhere between $15 to $25. Heck, I even found them one time as a bundle add-on on Amazon. When I bought $50 worth of other things, they were selling for under $10 each. So look around, it's well worth it. And the product, even if you pay the higher price point, I think you're gonna be happy with it. Well, why do I like it so much? Well, let's take a look down here at a couple things. Number one, the size. That's the open position. It has a nice little detent right there. And you can see this one's actually been used. I've had that going for about a year. It's not wearing badly. It's stainless steel. And there's a little detent right there. It allows you to close the knife. And when it does, look at that little knife. It's got nice heft to it. It's got nice dimensions. It feels good on the hand. And the clip that's provided that is integrated into the knife itself works both as the clip to hang it on the outside of your pocket if you like, or as a money clip. Now, before you go saying, nobody uses a money clip anymore, I beg to differ. There's all sorts of people, and if you're in retail, especially in convenience or fast stop-by settings like that, you'll see a lot of people that use money clips. So it can be used either way. So price point, finish, how it feels, and it feels great in the pocket. Which brings me up to one other thing. Recently, Dirt Farmer Maggie and I were traveling. She carries this knife, and you get so used to having it, we did the unpardonable sin of going through the TSA checkpoint, and what do you think they found on Maggie? Well, here's a cool thing that allows you to really redeem yourself in that situation. When this pocket knife is open, you can see right there, the blade can be easily removed. And we found a courteous TSA agent who went out of their way, take the time to remove the blade and return Maggie's knife back to her. You guys rock. But let me show you how that's done really quickly on how easy it is. So this blade is a newer one, but hey, let me show you another one that's had some use. As you can see here, it's time to change that blade. And let's demonstrate how easy it is to do that very quickly. To do so, you'll either need a little straight screwdriver, but even if you don't have that, hey, a dime will work just great, so will a penny. So let's just use the penny. It's a little slotted screw here, retainer screw, so we'll use the penny to undo the screw and the dime to put it back in. So here we go. All right, and to put it back in, let's go ahead and drop in the screw. And this time we'll use a dime. So there we go. We have a beautiful new sharp knife. Everything is ready to go. And I'll shut that up for safety, detent, and fold it. So what do we think about the little Gerber knife? We think it's a great deal for $15 to $25. And my suspicion is it's engravable. So if you want to give that to somebody in your family or a friend, it's a great tool to carry around for the price point. Hey, you can check out the link in the description below that gives you the whole product name and all that. You can find out where to order those. We don't get a commission on any orders you do, because if we just find something we like, we pass it on to you. Do you have a favorite knife or folding knife like this that you'd like to recommend to the rest of our viewers? If you do, why don't you comment and write back to us? And if you found this video to be helpful, why don't you like it? And better yet, subscribe to our channel so we can continue to make great videos about the home, shop, the kitchen, and product reviews. Hey, until the next time, this is Dirt Farmer Jay on YouTube.